Thinking about buying a home in Port St. Lucie, Florida or the Treasure Coast, whether you've never owned a home or it's been a while since you purchased one, let's talk about the pros and the cons. Hi, my name is Natalia Reinhardt, Realtor with eXp Realty. So when you're thinking about buying a home on the Treasure Coast or specifically in Port St. Lucie, Florida, there's pros and cons. So let's talk about the pros first. Numero uno, your wealth can increase as you build home equity. According to the research done by CoreLogic, homes will continue to increase in value, averaging 4% each year. We've seen more in other places on the Treasure Coast. According to the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, a homeowner who purchased a home 10 years ago at the median sales price would have gained $225,000 in home equity. That's awesome. Numero dos, you gain tax advantages. Mortgage interest rates are tax deductible as per the IRS code, meaning you have potential tax saving tactics when owning a home. Numero tres, according to CoreLogic, rents are going up and up. You can stabilize your monthly payments if you own a home. Now, if you have a fixed interest rates, then you know your monthly payments are more predictable. On the other hand, your landlord can increase the rent year after year. Number four, you can have a secure place for your family to live and grow. And design your home any way you want. Create your dream home. Number five, you gain a sense of community when you're a homeowner. Many homeowners work with their neighbors to get better schools and to create a safe environment. All right, let's be honest here. Not everything is great with homeownership. Let's get to the cons. Numero uno, the maintenance. It takes work and money to maintain your home in good condition. You need to maintain your home. It's just like a car. You have to get that oil change or your car might blow up. Make sure you maintain the AC, the washer and dryer, mow the lawn, etc., etc. Number two, it can tie up your cash at first. Selling your house might not be possible in the first few years, meaning moving will be a little bit more complicated, especially if you want to change your job in the future. Number three, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee that your home will increase in value year after year. There can be some dips here and there. Nevertheless, there is data proving that home ownership is a good investment. Number four, it obligates your finances. When you buy a home, you're obligated to make those monthly payments no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a nest egg for those rainy days. Let's be real, buying a home is scary and stressful. There's a lot of moving parts when it comes to any transaction. Call me and I will be happy to guide you and walk you through the entire process safely. I love what I do and I'm here to make your real estate dreams come true. My name is Natalia Reinhardt, Realtor with eXp Realty on the Treasure Coast, and I will see you around town.